Welcome again to Rough Diamond Recipes. Today's recipe is avocado, green chili and blue cheese toasties. Bit of a mouthful to say, innit? The ingredients are on screen now, such as they are. And the first thing you're going to need is 2 slices of good sourdough bread. I mean, where would a toastie be without good bread? The next thing you do is prepare the avocado mixture. And to do this, simply scoop out the flesh of a ripe avocado, place in a suitably sized bowl. Then using a sharp knife, slice up the green onions and green chilies and add them to the avocado. It's time to add the white pepper, sesame oil and salt to taste. Then thoroughly mix it all together. And if you find this a bit boring, get your wife to do it. You're not looking to make a puree, just mash them up so it all holds together. Something like this. And when you've finished mashing the avocado, it's time to spread over the bread. This is when, if you're using a grill, toast the bread lightly before you spread the avocado. But you don't need to pre-toast it if you're using an air fryer as we are. Next thing, take the cheese of your choice and sprinkle over the top as you see here. I'm using Shropshire Blue because I think it works well with this recipe, but you can use any damn cheese you like, it's free country. Then it's off to a 200°C air fryer for 7 minutes. When the 7 minutes are up, you've got your toasties. I hope you like this recipe and give it a go sometime. Feel free to subscribe, share and like, and we'll see you soon in the next one. Bye for now.